We are going to make an app Philippa Coin. First open Xcode, create node Xcode project, select single view app, project name Flip Coin. Next, save into anywhere like I am saving into desktop, create. Now going to storyboard. Now we are designing the storyboard. So first taking a label, provide some constraint like leading 16, top 56, change the label, select your site. We are increasing the font here to look it attractive, make it medium. Now we know a coin has two sides, head and tail, so we are taking two button. We are taking it in stack view. In a horizontal stack view, we provide a constraint to horizontal stack view as a 16 from leading, 16 from top, and 16 from trailing. To make it equal button, we change the alignment as a fill and distribution as a fill equally of a stack view. Providing some space between them is like a 16. Now changing the label as an head and tail. Now we are making the button attractive, so we are changing the color, white, background color as a green, increasing the font size to 20, medium, same for head, 20, medium, text color white, background color red. Now if you just select any side, head and tail, we need to check if the coin is on head or on tail. If he is on head, then the user is winner, else user lost. So first we make some IV outlet and actions. So open view controller here. Taking as a head, button, action. Taking as a tail, button, action. So as we know, a coin has two sides, so we take a variable like where each head selected. By default it's true. Head selection button, the value is true. Indian selection button, the value is false. Now we write a logic for check winner function. Check winner is at select bool. So we are for flip a coin. First we flip the coin. For flipping the coin we generate a random between 0 or 1. So let random is equal to int dot random. We need to provide a range, as our range is 0 or 1, so 0 to less than 2. Now, like we assume if a random number is a 0, then it's a head, or if it's a 1, then it's a tail. So we write here 0 for head and 1 for tail. So if random equal to if bool random, as we know 0 or 1 can be equal to true and false. So we convert it and this bool value equal to is head selected. Then we show for create an alert. For creating an alert, we are creating a variable alert with UI alert controller. If won taking here as a title, string providing here snail style alert. We add an action on alert. Action UI alert action. I tell OK. Style default. We don't need any handler, so we make it nil. Now we present alert. So self.present is the function which we call to presenting the alert. Provide the alert object. Animation is true and completion is nil. So show alert. You won. Else calling this function here for tail check winner had selected false. Check for tail. For head check winner had selected true. Check for head. Now we did not need this variable here. So first user have two options to select side, anyone, head or tail. If you just select head, then it will be called for check winner head. Here he will check for winner. First he will generate a random between 0 and 1. Then for 0 1 is like a true and false, so we convert the 0 1 to as a bool value. Check if the bool value is same as a is head selected, then it's a user selection, so it's user won, else user lose. So for computer selection, for result we make a label here. For result we create a label here. So we make it 22 medium. What is the result? Providing some constraint here like 16 and 16. Or we provide some more difference, more distance. So top bottom is 32 along with top is 32. Now we make an IV outlet for that label. result label. So here we update the result. As we know, 0 for head and 1 for tail. So we make it like a if random equal to 0. So sub dot result label dot text equal to head. Else self dot result label dot text equal to tail. Now we need a cleanup after result. So we make a cleanup function. For making more attraction, we make as like a result is tail or result is head along with pop-up. Now we need a handler. So creating a handler here. We call cleanup on OK button. Self.cleanup. Now we run the app. So you just select head, result is you want or something big incorrect. Something is incorrect. We are some difference here. Oh, as we know, bool for the 0 integer, bool is false. For 1 it's true. So we make it not equal here. We write it here int to bool. If int is 0, then bool is false. If int is 1, then bool is true. Now we again check. If head result in you lose. If head tail you lose. If head result is head you won. If tail you won. Tail you won. Tail you won. You won. Oh, it's head and you lose. Fine. Thank you.